Alright everyone, I wanted to just show this video. This is my 2005 A6 Quattro 4.2. I've been having a problem with the AC inoperable. I was told the compressor needed to be switched, which sucked because it didn't, and I did it anyway. Then I replaced the sensor, and that was not bad. The sensor is actually tucked right in here. DC pressure sensor switch. Okay, and that didn't fix it. So what I did is I actually traced the data signal just with my Cat5 tracer that I happen to have. I do IT. Sent that signal through pin 2, which is this the blue and brown cable. So pin 2 in the center there. When I trace it, my tracer here, you can tell we got a good signal here. And what I did is I came in, and this whole thing here, I realized I didn't even have a signal at this end of it. And I actually opened up the heat wiring. What I found is that it's a corrosion point right here. You can see that corrosion on that wire. I'm just gonna fix that right up. I should have air conditioning. And I wanted to make sure nothing else was bad, so I opened up that whole thing. And anyway, so that's it's pin 1 on this system, and it's black and blue. And then again up here it's pin 2, also black. Not black and blue, sorry, brown and blue. Brown and blue. So that's that wire right there. And sure enough, super corroded, and I've got a strong signal right to here and not here. That's my problem. Thought anyone that wanted to see that would be helpful. Thank you.